Welcome to Shifting Grades. Kindly click the subscribe button if you are not yet subscribed. We are going to continue with probability. I want to teach a question whereby we are picking, but in this case with replacement. So we are given which talks of a box containing 3 brown, 9 pink and 15 white cloth pegs. Then we are told that the pegs are identical except for the color, identical in size, in shapes. We are told 2 pegs are picked at random, one at a time, with replacement. So the key term here is with replacement. Find the probability that both pegs are of the same color. So when we pick with replacement, it's good to note that the color which you had picked in the next picking not tampered with. Why? Because in this case there is replacement. So we can pick a brown. This is the 3 diagram. We can pick a pink. We can also pick a white peg. If we pick a brown, then the probability of picking a brown one is 3, a total of 27. Then picking pink is 9 out of 27. Finally, picking white is 15 out of 27. So those are the probabilities in the first picking. Now, in the second picking, because we are told that there is replacement, the total number is not affected because after picking, we replaced. So after picking brown, we can pick brown again. And because after picking, we replaced, then the probability remains 3 out of 27. And for pink, 9 out of 27. Finally, for white, we'll have 15. In the second case, if we had picked pink, we can pick brown or pink again or white. So if we are picking pink in first case and the second case pink, and there is replacement, then it means picking pink remains the way it was because we have replaced. Not like in the other case whereby the probability is reducing and the total is also reducing because we were picking without replacement. Now there is replacement. Then finally 15 out of 27. We have here, if we had picked white, we can pick white again, we can pick a pink, and we can pick a brown peg. So picking white followed by a white, because there is replacement, it remains 15 out of 27. Then here we will have 9 out of 27, then 3 out of 27. Probability that the pegs are of the same color. So same color can be brown followed by a brown, or pink followed by a pink, or a white followed by white. So probability the same color. Probability picking the same color. Probability same color will be probability brown, or is the word or, probability pink, or probability a white and a white. Those are the options which give us similar color in both picking. So if we pick a brown followed by a brown, we will have 3 out of 27 by 3 out of 27. Or means addition in probability. I think I emphasize on that. Pink is 9 out of 27 followed by a 9 out of 27 because there is replacement. Finally, we will have 15 out of 27 followed by 15 out of 27. So the probabilities, I will finish it here. So let me simplify the values using a calc. 3 by 3 divided by 27 by 27. These will give us will give us a 1 out of 81. Or means addition. 9 by 9 divided by 27. This will give us, finally, when we have 15 by 15, we divide by 27 by 27. This gives us a probability of 25 out of 81. The total probability will be 1 over 81 plus 1 over 9 plus 25 over 81. This gives us 35 out of 81. So when we pick with replacement, we should master in the second picking, because this is the first picking whereby we use the probabilities. In the second picking, whereby we have replaced, the probabilities don't change because we have replaced the picked in the first case. So that is how we handle a question which involves picking with replacement. Thank you for subscribing to Shifting.